Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use a data room solution to get your startup investment ready. In this video, we will discuss what a data room is, why it's important for startups, and how to use a data room solution to make your startup more attractive to potential investors. Let's start. What is a data room? A data room is a secure online platform that businesses use to share confidential documents with others. Data rooms are commonly used for mergers, acquisition, fundraising, and other types of business transactions. However, data rooms can also be used for general data storage and sharing. What is a data room important for startups? A data room is important for startups because it provides a secure and efficient way to share all of the information that potential investors need to make an informed investment decision. This information can include financial statements, business plans, market research reports, and legal documents. Benefits of using data room solution for startups. There are a number of benefits of using a data room solution for startups, including security. Data room solution offers a variety of security features to protect your confidential information, such as encryption, access control, and audit trails. Efficiency. Data room solution can help to streamline the fundraising process by providing a central location where all relevant documents can be stored and accessed. This can save you and your team a significant amount of time and effort. Professionalism. Using a data room solution shows potential investors that you are serious about your startup and that you are committed to providing them with the information they need to make an informed investment decision. This can help to build trust and confidence, which can lead you to more successful and fundraising campaigns. How to use a data room solution to get your startup investment ready. Organize your documents. Before you upload your documents to the data room, take some time to organize them. This will make it easier for potential investors to find the information they need. Create a document index. Create a document index that lists all of the documents in your data room. This will help potential investors to quickly and easily find the documents they are looking for. Set permissions. Set permissions to control who have access to your data room and which documents they can view. This will help to protect your confidential information. Tailor your data room to your investors. Take the time to tailor your data room to your target investors. This may involve including additional information or documents that are relevant to their specific interests. Keep your data room up to date. Make sure to keep your data room up to date with the latest information about your startup. This shows potential investors that you are committed to transparency and that you are constantly moving forward. Additional tips. Get feedback from your investors. Once you have uploaded your document to the data room, ask your investor for feedback. This feedback can help you to identify any areas where you can improve your data room or your fundraising materials. Use your data room to showcase your startup. Your data room is a great opportunity to showcase your startup and its product or services. Make sure to upload high quality marketing materials such as videos, presentations, and case studies. This can help you to give potential investors a better understanding of your startup and what it has to offer. Don't forget to follow up. Once you have closed a deal, be sure to follow up with your new investors. Thank them for their investment and keep them updated on your progress. This can help to build strong relationships with your investors and can pave the way for future fundraising success. Conclusion. By using a data room solution effectively, startups can make themselves more attractive to potential investors and increase their chances of raising capital. That's it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Hope you have understand this topic. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.